Lean tools and techniques. Hello there. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of lean manufacturing, a system that revolutionizes industries with its tools and techniques. Lean manufacturing focuses on creating maximum value for customers with fewer resources. It aims to eliminate waste and enhance productivity, ensuring efficient operations. The first tool we'll explore is the 5S system. This Japanese technique stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It promotes organization and cleanliness, creating a conducive work environment. Next, we have value stream mapping, a visual tool that helps identify waste in a process. It provides a detailed view of the production flow, enabling you to spot inefficiencies and rectify them. Kanban is another powerful technique. Originating from Toyota's production system, it uses visual cards to track production flow. It ensures a smooth supply chain, preventing overproduction and inventory pileup. Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement, is a practice that encourages employees to propose small, incremental changes. These changes can lead to significant improvements in productivity and efficiency over time. Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, is a proactive approach that focuses on maintaining and improving the integrity of production and quality systems. It prevents equipment failures, reducing downtime and costs. Another technique is the single-minute exchange of die, SMED. It aims to minimize the downtime associated with changing over from one product variant to another. This improves flexibility and reduces lead time. The Anden system is a real-time communication tool used in manufacturing. It provides immediate feedback about a process, alerting when there's a problem. It allows quick decision-making, minimizing production delays. Poka-yoke, or mistake proofing, is a technique that helps avoid mistakes in the manufacturing process. It ensures that the right conditions exist before a process step is executed, preventing defects. Cellular manufacturing groups related processes together to allow for an efficient flow of materials and information. It reduces movement and wait times, improving production speed and efficiency. Finally, we have the just-in-time, JIT, system. It aims to produce the right part at the right time, reducing inventory costs. It's a pull system, where production is based on customer demand, not forecasts. All these techniques are part of the Lean Manufacturing Toolkit, designed to streamline operations and maximize value for customers. By eliminating waste and focusing on continuous improvement, lean manufacturing paves the way for efficient, cost-effective production. Remember, lean is not just a toolkit, it's a mindset. It's about building a culture of continuous improvement, where everyone in the organization is involved in finding better ways to work. So there you have it. Lean manufacturing tools and techniques, your guide to efficient, effective, and customer-focused production. Start your lean journey today and experience the transformation firsthand.